Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teguna Classic LUNC. Now, last month, July, Teguna Classic lost over $52 million market cap last month, and that have actually dropped the market cap of Teguna Classic down below $460 million. But I believe this new month is going to be a better month for Teguna Classic. Luna actually started July trading with a market cap of over $525 million, and Teguna Classic lost between $52 to $65 million within last month. A lot of people actually pulled out of Teguna Classic. I believe that due to Teguna Classic price actually dropped in price, and also Teguna Classic recorded low trading volume. So many people didn't trade more about Teguna Classic. That is why even the burning of Teguna Classic by Binance was not really much compared to the previous burning. Okay, and I believe this month of August, there will be an improvement. Teguna Classic is going to hit back at over 500 million. Maybe we are expecting Luna to hit at least 600 or 650 million dollars before the end of this August, because there are so many projects that will be launched this August and so many network upgrades, and I believe that this can all help Teguna Classic to rise this month of August. But before that, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you, and as we keep supporting Teguna Classic, I believe that this August, Teguna Classic is going to change. This August, Teguna Classic is going to rise in this month of August, because this is a new month, and Luna have already started a new month with an increase. This Teguna Classic yesterday and today have actually gained over almost 2%, and there have been a rise also on the trading volume and on the market cap of Teguna Classic, about 14% rise in price. So this is good, starting the month in a good way, and I believe that they're going to also end this month trading in a better way. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. Once again, thank you for stopping by.